In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open a video in Google Drive and navigate its subtitle options. We'll take a look at the steps to ensure your view is both smooth and informative, especially if you're relying on subtitles for enhanced understanding or accessibility. So let's dive right in and see how it's done. First things first, you'll want to head over to your Google Drive. If you haven't already, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your main Drive interface, which is where all your files reside. Locate the video file you're interested in watching. You can do this by scrolling through your files or using the search bar for something a bit quicker. Once you've found your video, double-click on the file. This will open your video in Google Drive's built-in video player where you'll be able to watch it. Now on to checking if your video has subtitles. It's important to note that Google Drive doesn't automatically generate subtitles for your videos. This means that subtitles will only be available if they've been uploaded alongside the video as a separate file, or if the captions are embedded directly in the video itself. If your video does have captions, you should see a CC button or closed captions button at the bottom of the video player. It's a quick way to confirm whether you have any subtitles ready to go. If captions are indeed available, you'll want to turn them on while your video is playing. Simply look to the bottom right corner of the video player and you'll see that CC icon. Click on it, and if there are multiple subtitle options available, you can select your preferred language. As soon as you make a selection, the subtitles will begin to display, providing you with those valuable insights as you watch. However, if your search for subtitles turns up empty and you realize your video doesn't have any, don't worry. There's a way to add them manually, especially if you're the one who uploaded the video. To do this, you'll need to create a subtitle file, with SRT being the most common format. This kind of file contains text in a specific structure, indicating the timing for each caption. After you've created your subtitle file, upload your video to YouTube Studio. It's free to use. Add the subtitles there, and once it's processed, you can download the .srt file. Store this subtitle file in the same folder as your video on Google Drive. Be sure to rename both files identically aside from the file extension, like video.mp4 and video.srt. Then, when you play your video in Google Drive, you should see those subtitles appear right on cue, and there you have it. Watching videos with subtitles on Google Drive is straightforward once you know where to look and what steps to take. Enjoy your viewing experience and be sure to apply these steps to make your video content more accessible. Thanks for watching.